Best Silicon Power 128GB MicroSD card ensures fast data transfer, reliable storage, smooth 4K recording, and durable performance for everyday devices. My today's video is about top 5 best Silicon Power 128GB MicroSD card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Silicon Power MicroSD XE Express card. The best Silicon Power 128GB MicroSD card sets a new benchmark with its SD Express 7.1 standard, powered by a PCIe Gen 3x1 interface and NVMe protocol. This advanced combination delivers blazing fast speeds up to 880 MB per second read and 700 MB per second write, up to 2.7x faster than traditional UHS-2 cards, making it ideal for faster game loading on Switch 2 and high-performance devices. Built with premium 3D TLC NAND flash, the card is engineered for durability, supporting over 10,000 insertions without performance degradation. It operates smoothly within temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius and withstands storage extremes from -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Designed to handle demanding environments, including high humidity and salt spray conditions, it maintains stable performance even under stress. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, this microSD card combines cutting-edge speed, long-term reliability, and rugged durability, making it a powerful storage upgrade for gamers and professionals alike. Now our second product is Gigastone 1TB MicroSD card. The Gigastone MicroSD card delivers an excellent balance of speed, reliability, and versatility for everyday and professional use. With read/write speeds up to 150/130 MB/s and a V30 speed rating, it handles Ultra HD 4K video recording smoothly, making it a dependable choice for action cameras, drones, and DSLRs. Whether you're capturing high-resolution footage or shooting burst photos, performance remains stable and consistent. Thanks to its A2 rating, uploading on smartphones and tablets is noticeably faster, allowing you to run apps directly from the microSD card without lag. It's a practical solution for expanding internal storage and improving multitasking efficiency. Compatibility is another strong point. It works seamlessly with laptops, PCs, cameras, dashcams, surveillance systems, and gaming devices including Nintendo Switch, GoPro, Android, Samsung, Canon, and Nikon devices. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty with free data recovery support, this card offers peace of mind alongside strong performance and wide device support. Our third product is Gigastone 64GB MicroSD card 10-pack. The Gigastone MicroSD card is a reliable storage solution designed for everyday full HD recording and media sharing. With read/write speeds up to 90/30 MB/s, it handles full HD video capture and playback smoothly, making it ideal for preserving high-resolution photos and memorable moments without lag or frame drops. For added convenience, it comes with an SD adapter and a protective mini case, ensuring easy file transfers and safe storage. Whether you're moving files to a laptop or keeping the card protected during travel, the included accessories add real value. Compatibility is broad, supporting laptops, tablets, PCs, smartphones, cameras, e-readers, security cams, dashcams, action cameras, and surveillance systems. Its durable design is waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, and X-ray proof, providing dependable performance even in challenging environments. Backed by a 5-year limited manufacturer warranty, this microSD card offers dependable storage, practical versatility, and peace of mind for daily use. Now number 4, Amazon Basics 1TB MicroSD XE card. The Amazon Basics 1TB MicroSD card is a high-capacity storage solution built for demanding users who need space and speed. With read speeds up to 200 MB per second and write speeds up to 150 MB per second, it handles full HD, 4K, and even 5K video recording smoothly, along with high-resolution photos and large data files. It carries UHSI, U3, Class 10, and A2 ratings, ensuring fast uploading and responsive smartphone performance. Designed for versatility, it works with smartphones, tablets, cameras, DSLRs, drones, laptops, desktops, and gaming consoles, though it's not compatible with Nintendo Switch 2. For maximum 200 MB per second read speeds beyond standard UHSI limits, the Amazon Basics USB-C 3.0 card reader, sold separately, is required. Durability is another highlight, featuring shockproof, IPX6 waterproof, temperature resistant, -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, X-ray proof, and magnetic proof protection. With over 908 gigabytes of usable space and a microSD adapter included, this card offers reliable, large-scale storage for creators and tech enthusiasts alike. And our last choice is Silicon Power Heavy-Duty MicroSD Card. The heavy-duty 256GB MicroSD XC card is built for users who demand consistent performance and long-term reliability. Designed for continuous recording, it meets Class 10, UHSIU3, V30, and A1 standards, making it ideal for full HD and 4K video capture in dashcams, security cameras, and action cameras. Whether you're recording daily commutes or 24/7 surveillance footage, this card is engineered to keep up. With transfer speeds up to 100 megabytes per second read and 80 megabytes per second write, file transfers are smooth and efficient, while app performance remains responsive on compatible devices. The A1 rating ensures better app loading and multitasking capability. Durability is a standout feature. It's waterproof, shockproof, resistant to extreme cold and high temperatures, and protected against X-rays, ensuring dependable operation in harsh environments. Backed by a reliable 2-year warranty with domestic support, this microSD card offers a strong balance of speed, endurance, and peace of mind for heavy-duty recording needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.